everyone, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain how do we export tables and chart from Excel to PowerPoint. So in traditional ways that if you want to create a PowerPoint from a dashboard, it takes 32 on average of 30 to 90 minutes, whereas using a Excel VBA, the same can be achieved within fraction of seconds or minute. In this class, I'm going to demonstrate how do we create 12 slides within 45 seconds. Here's a table which has been formulated, and here's a corresponding chart to it. So it's been formulated using a formula. The same goes with the other tables and charts. In this class, I'm not going to speak how this has been formulated. Rather, I would be explaining how do we export this table and chart to PowerPoint. So the corresponding values have been here in the next sheet. Sample files which have used for demonstration purpose. So towards right we have the formula equations. It's quite big, so it goes up to 10 columns. The same goes with the task as well. Quickly, let's get into a developer mode. Click on Visual Basic, click on Modules. Okay, here's the script which have been used. Okay, there are 4 modules, and these are the script which has been used to export the tables and the charts from Excel to PowerPoint. Let me demonstrate how this works. Click on Export and Publish. Before doing that, let me show you the PowerPoint. Here's a blank PowerPoint which I have 12, with 12 slides. Click on Export and Publish. As soon as I do an export and publish, you do see that there's some kind of operation which gets executed. All these tables and chart get exported to the PowerPoint. Once that's been done, it gets auto attached to the email. So let me open up one PowerPoint which has been attached. If you see here, we can notice all the charts have been exported. Let me do a slideshow. Here's a alignment mismatch. We can make a modification so that it fits into the right. Thanks everyone for watching this video. I'm going to share a link to access the Excel and PowerPoint in the below description.